Welcome back to A to Z Convos, and in this video I'm going to be doing a very basic English tutorial using slow speech. So I'm going to talk slowly and I'm going to be reviewing this picture that you see on the screen and describing what's in the picture. If I go too fast, feel free to slow down the video using the controls here on the video. So I'm going to start with the picture. What do I see in the picture? First of all, it's a family with a woman, a man, and a child here. And I would assume this is the mother. The woman is the mother. The man is the father. And the child is a girl. I assume she's a girl because she has ponytails in her hair. You can see her ponytail right there. The woman has brown hair. Her hair is brown. The man's hair is also brown, but darker brown. So the man has dark brown hair and the woman has light brown hair. Her eyebrows are also light brown, as you can see here. And his eyebrows, the man's eyebrows, are dark brown. The woman and the man are both wearing glasses. They're both wearing glasses. The woman's glasses are red, like my shirt, like my blouse, red. And the man's glasses are black. They're both smiling. The man is smiling like this. The woman is smiling, and the child is smiling too. The woman is wearing earrings in her ears, earrings. This is her earring. And her blouse is red with white dots on it. And she's wearing blue overalls. Her overalls are blue. The man is wearing a yellow vest over a striped shirt. And his shirt has stripes. These lines are called stripes. The stripes are red and gray. And his collar, the collar of his shirt is gray. The girl is wearing a white blouse with a blue collar. The collar on her blouse is blue, and her blouse is white with blue sleeves. Also, in this picture is a flower. The flower has red petals and a yellow center and a red inner circle. The stem of the flower is yellow, and the flower is sitting in the grass that is green. Green grass here, all in the back is green grass. And there's a little house here, which could be a house for a dog maybe, but that is a house. If the house is for a dog, it's called a kennel. finally, let's look at the sky. The sky is blue, and there are clouds in the sky. 1, 2, 3 clouds. 3 clouds in the sky. The sky is blue. Okay, that's it for this video. It was a quick one. I hope it was easy enough to follow. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And look at the picture, and for practice, tell me what you see in the comments below. Do you see a man? Do you see a woman? Is she smiling? Is he smiling? What color are her glasses? What color are his glasses? Tell me in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.